Is it time to buy or sell Amazon stock? In this video, we will explore Amazon in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Thursday, the 24th of July, 2025, and now we are here to provide you with a more comprehensive analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Since the 28th of May, 2025, our system has ranked Amazon as a strong buy candidate, giving it a score of 7.4. Let's take a look at the stock's performance during this period. Those who followed our analysis would have enjoyed an impressive gain of 13.44% since we first listed Amazon as a buy candidate 40 days ago. This translates to an average return of 0.34% per day since it was designated as a strong buy candidate. The stock is currently situated within a robust rising trend in the short term, indicating a likelihood of further increase. The present 3-month trend suggests a potential change of approximately 20% over the upcoming 3 months, with an anticipated return ranging from 15% to 26%. In terms of a longer perspective, our 12-month analysis forecasts a projected change of about 14%. According to our calculations, the stock's performance may vary from a decrease of approximately 14% to an increase of 26% over the next year. This would suggest a future price positioned between $200.40 and $293.16. Our latest daily update for Amazon includes the headline, Stronger Technical Forecast for Amazon Stock Price After Thursday Trading. The Amazon stock price increased by 1.73% on the last trading day, which was Thursday, the 24th of July, 2025. It rose from $228.29 to $232.23. During that trading day, the stock fluctuated by 2.37%, reaching a low of $228.64 and a high of $234.07. The price has risen in 8 of the last 10 days and is up by 4.49% over the past 2 weeks. Additionally, trading volume increased on the last day along with the price, which is a positive technical sign, with a total of 15 million more shares traded than the previous day. In total, 43 million shares were bought and sold for approximately $9.89 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the stock was $242.52, while the lowest price was $151.61. Currently, the price is 4.24%, or $10.29, below the 52-week high, and 82.21%, or $1,072.97, below the all-time high reached on the 15th of January, 2018, when the price peaked at $1,305.20. Amazon is navigating noteworthy developments that could influence its stock price in both the immediate and distant future. The United Kingdom Competition Appeal Tribunal has certified a class of Amazon customers in a £1.3 billion antitrust case related to its buy box feature. This situation may lead to legal complications and financial liabilities, potentially impacting investor sentiment in the short term. Additionally, market analyst Samuel D.R. Bakerley encourages investors to maintain a positive outlook on equities like Amazon, even amid anticipated tariff fluctuations. Analysts propose that while tariffs may cause short-term variations, major tech companies, including Amazon, are likely to recover robustly once the volatility settles. Amazon's AWS division is reported to be performing strongly, as highlighted by Phil Palumbo's remarks, which suggest ongoing growth potential despite competitive pressures. However, it is important to note that Walmart has recently surpassed Amazon in same-day delivery capabilities, underscoring challenges in the retail sector that might raise concerns about market share erosion. Investor attention is also sharpening ahead of Amazon's forthcoming earnings report, with expectations set for growth that could enhance the stock's prospects. Furthermore, Amazon's venture fund has made an investment in a startup addressing recurring fraud, reflecting a strategic initiative to improve operational efficiencies. The overall outlook for Amazon is mixed, with legal and competitive challenges likely to induce volatility. Nevertheless, the underlying growth in its core business and strategic investments could lay a solid foundation for long-term appreciation. Analyst ratings. On Friday, the 11th of July 2025, it was reported that Piper Sandler assigned Amazon an overweight rating with a hold action. On Thursday, the 10th of July 2025, it was reported that Citigroup assigned Amazon a market outperform rating with a hold action. On Tuesday, the 8th of July 2025, it was reported that Roth Capital assigned Amazon a buy rating with a hold action. On Tuesday, the 1st of July 2025, it was reported that Bernstein assigned Amazon an outperform rating with a hold action. On Monday, the 2nd of June 2025, it was reported that Citigroup assigned Amazon a buy rating with a hold action. Analysts have assigned a general neutral rating to Amazon stock. They classify the price-to-earnings ratio as a sell and the price-to-book ratio as a strong sell. In terms of return on investment, the analysts have rated the stock as a strong buy. The following signals have been identified for Amazon. The chart reveals mostly positive signals today. Amazon stock exhibits buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, suggesting a favorable outlook. Additionally, there is a general buy signal indicated by the relationship between these two averages, with the short-term average positioned above the long-term average. During any downward corrections, support is anticipated at $227.21 and $219.04. A decline below either of these levels would trigger sell signals. A buy signal emerged from a pivot bottom point on Monday, June 23, 2025, with the stock rising by 11.4% since then. Further increases are expected until a new top pivot is established. Moreover, a buy signal is also present from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, your MACD. Volume is increasing alongside the price, which is considered a positive technical signal. Here are some additional signals that may pique your interest. Moving average convergence divergence, buy signal. Pivots, buy signal recorded 23 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal noted just 1 day ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal observed 6 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal identified 55 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicated a buy signal 58 days ago. When we examine the 12-month chart, we observe short moving average, sell signal, reported 24 days ago. The long-term moving average, buy signal noted 38 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages showed a buy signal 33 days ago. For more signals, please visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for Amazon. Amazon finds support from the cumulated volume at $223.30. This level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction can be expected when this support is tested. Generally, the stock tends to exhibit very controlled movements, and with good liquidity, the risk associated with this stock is considered very low. During the last day, the stock experienced a movement of $5.43 between its high and low, which is 2.37%. Over the past week, the stock has shown a daily average volatility of 1.60%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for Amazon, let's briefly discuss some essential fundamental data. First, the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly referred to as the PE ratio. This important ratio assesses a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. This PE ratio is relatively typical, often observed in companies with established histories or stable revenue streams. In other news, the upcoming earnings report for the third quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 31st of July, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates stand at $1.31. It's essential to monitor these figures, as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Amazon. There is no significant resistance from accumulated volume above, which means the stock could move upward swiftly under the right conditions. In this scenario, you might consider entering a position and using volume to determine when to exit. On the downside, Amazon encounters its first support level at $223.30. If this support level holds, it could be an opportune entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Amazon from multiple analyst sources is neutral. Now, let's examine some recent insider trades. The 5 most recent insider trades were carried out by Jeffrey P. Bezos, who bought and sold 7,345,902 shares or options in the company. Analyzing the 100 most recent insider trades, we find that the insider power is negative, with a ratio of negative 98.007. In total, insiders have purchased 198,735 shares and sold 22,102,510 shares during the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $220.14, which is a decrease of 5.20%. This stock exhibits very low daily movements, resulting in a minimal risk level. Furthermore, there is a buy signal that emerged from a pivot bottom identified 22 days ago. Is Amazon stock a good buy? Amazon displays several positive indicators and is currently on a robust upward trend. As the saying goes, let the trend be your friend. Therefore, we believe it is a favorable option at these present levels, with expectations of further gains over the next 3 months. Our analysis conclusion for this stock has been upgraded from a buy to a strong buy candidate since the last evaluation. After assessing the volatility and movements from the most recent trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Friday, July 25th, we anticipate Amazon will open lower by approximately 58 cents, starting at $231.65. We remind you that trading involves a significant risk of losing money. It is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before engaging in the buying or selling of any securities. Your investment decisions should not be solely based on information from StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? We invite you to comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day from all of us here at Stock Invest.